Making the right choice. TOEFL or IELTS based on your strengths and weaknesses. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into a very important aspect of your TOEFL and IELTS test preparation journey. Choosing the right test based on your own strengths and weaknesses. Making the right choice can significantly enhance your chances of scoring high, so let's get started. Both TOEFL and IELTS assess your English proficiency, but their format and focus areas can be quite different. TOEFL is largely multiple choice and computer-based. It's structured and often preferred by students comfortable with typing and navigating a computer interface. IELTS, on the other hand, has a mix of question types and can be taken on paper. Its speaking section involves a face-to-face interview, which might be more natural for some. It's crucial to be self-aware. Ask yourself, 1. Do I excel in formal, structured settings? If yes, TOEFL's format might suit you better. 2. Am I more comfortable typing or writing by hand? This can guide your choice between the computer-based TOEFL and the paper-based IELTS. 3. How do I fare in live conversations? If you thrive in face-to-face interactions, IELTS might give you an edge. Conversely, understanding your weaknesses can help you avoid potential pitfalls. 1. Do multiple choice questions trip you up? TOEFL leans heavily on this format. 2. Are you nervous about live interviews? IELTS requires a face-to-face speaking test. 3. Do you struggle with time management on written tasks? Consider the differences in the writing tasks for both exams. Once you've considered your strengths and weaknesses. 1. Practice mock tests. Whichever test you lean towards, take several mock tests. They give a real sense of the actual exam. 2. Work on weak points. Dedicate more time to areas of difficulty. If speaking is a challenge, practice more spoken English. 3. Seek feedback. If possible, join an English language learning group or find a tutor to identify areas of improvement. Choosing between TOEFL and IELTS is a significant decision. Reflecting on your own strengths and weaknesses can guide you to the test where you'll shine the brightest. Remember, the best test for you is the one where you can put your best foot forward. Good luck with your preparation, and we hope this video has brought you a step closer to making the right choice.